Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in online marketing, we'll discuss about search engine marketing. What is search engine marketing? How search engine marketing is different from search engine optimization? What are the key elements of search engine marketing? Let's get started with it. What is search engine marketing in the first place? Search engine marketing is paid advertising. In online medium, in online marketing, there are two ways the results can be shown. One is called the organic results, the second is called the paid results. Organic results are those results, those websites that are displayed in Google and search engines which are absolutely free, and that is actually called as search engine optimization. The second is paid advertising. It means you are paying to put up an ad to display your ad so that you can drive traffic. That is also called as inorganic traffic, and that is also called as paid traffic, and that is actually what paid advertising is all about. Advertisers run paid campaigns to promote their businesses. It takes time for you to display your website in the top pages of Google organically through search engine optimization. If you want to actually improve the awareness of your products, increase the visibility, you can actually put up an ad and the ad will display instantly. It doesn't have to wait for long as compared to SEO or organic results. So that is paid advertising. Ads are displayed in search engines and other network publishing websites. The ads that you place, they can be displayed in Google search engine on the top pages, and they can also be displayed on the publishing networks wherever you want related to your business, and you can select them appropriately. Drive traffic to websites landing pages for conversions. Besides from increasing the visibility, besides from promoting your brand, you can also put up an ad considering the fact that you want to drive conversions. You put up an ad, people see the ad, they click on the ad, they come to your website or the landing pages, they check out the complete information that you provided related to your business. If they are interested, they'll get in touch with you. That is how conversions happen. It means you are actually paying to put up an ad to get customers. That is what search engine marketing is all about. Now let us do a comparison between search engine optimization and search engine marketing. What is search engine optimization and what is search engine marketing? Search engine marketing is also called as organic results. When you type a particular keyword in Google, whatever the keyword, the list of websites are displayed on the first page. Those are basically the organic results. They are also called as search engine results page. That is free traffic that is coming to your website, and that is actually called as organic, and you are not paying anything to Google to display your website organically in search engines. And SEM is actually paid advertising, where you are paying for the ad that are displayed in Google and other places. This is absolutely free, this is paid. Where this displays results in search engines, which is called as search engine results page. All those websites that you see on Google, they are absolutely free, they are coming organically, and you do not have to pay anything for that. Long-term results, it is not constant. Long-term results in the sense that if you want your website to be appearing in the top pages of Google, in the first page or even the second or the third page, it takes a long time. If your website is new, if your landing page is new, they may not appear instantly, they may not appear immediately. It may take as long as 4 months to 6 months to actually come anywhere close to the first, second or the third page. So it takes a lot of time. You have to be patient, doing a lot of search engine optimization, doing a lot of content marketing for your website to beat all the competitors and come on the top of search engines. So this is going to be a long-term process. It will never happen immediately, and this is also not constant. Let us say, for example, if your website is appearing on the first page, fourth website or fifth website, after 1 month, if you are not doing good content marketing, not doing optimization process continuously, the website will go down. It may go down to the second page or the third page, even when the competitors are doing a lot of good work on their website. So that is not constant, and it takes a lot of time for your website to appear in the top pages of Google. Depends on the visibility in the top pages of Google. It depends on the visibility. It is not in your hands. It is not even in Google's hands. It is actually entirely the algorithms, how it works dynamically. So it is not in your hands, and you cannot guarantee that your website or your customer's website will appear in the top pages of Google in this particular period of time. That is never going to happen. This is how SEO works, and this is paid advertising. It works instantly. Your ad will appear immediately whenever you actually pay the money. Instant results expensive. The number of keywords you use and what is the amount that you are paying, what is the money you are paying per keyword depends upon how expensive your ad campaign can be. Creates brand identity instantly, because the ad is displayed instantly on the top pages and other websites. The impressions are happening, clicks are happening, people are coming to your websites and landing pages. It creates a brand identity. It needs a lot of planning and management. How actually you create an ad, what should be the ad copy, and how the copy has to be written. You need to create the websites, the landing pages, you need to track the analytics. You can keep on improving, continuous improvement, enhancing your ad to drive more traffic, having more impressions. It needs a lot of planning to be done. Can be constant. As long as you keep on paying money, the ad will display. There is no limit to it. The moment you stop paying, the ad will disappear. Ads will display in search engines and other networks. Wherever you want to display, whichever the country you want to display, whichever the demography you want to display, the ads will appear. So this is precisely the difference between search engine optimization and search engine marketing. How actually the SEM process works? First, the strategy and development. What is the ad you want to place? Where are your customers? Who are your competitors? What kind of keyword they are using? And what is the objective of your ad? The entire strategy has to be built. Then keyword development. You need to do a lot of exhaustive and comprehensive keyword analysis if you want more conversion rates to happen, if more CTR, click-through rate to happen, more impressions has to happen. So keyword analysis is extremely important. If you do not have a good keyword strategy, you will be paying a lot of money, but clicks will not happen. Even if the clicks happen, they may not be the right customers for you. Create copy and the landing pages. Extremely important if you want to interact, engage and communicate with your traffic, with your intended customers. You need to have an effective copywriting of the landing pages. Then comes the bid management. When you select the keywords, bid management is extremely important. Where your ad want to appear, how much you are willing to pay to display those ads. Bid management plays a very crucial role, and AdWords actually provides a wealth of information where you can put up an ad, what are the keywords that you need to use, and provides a wealth of information that you can use and implement in your bid management strategies. Then analyze and reporting. Once the ad is live, the campaign is live, the traffic is coming, the engagement is happening, the impressions are happening, the users are coming, the entire process need to be analyzed, tracked, measured and reported, so that you can actually keep on tweaking, improving your website or the landing pages to drive more and more traffic. So analysis plays a very, very important and crucial role. So this is the entire process of your search engine marketing campaigns or paid advertising campaigns are concerned. Then you have got the campaign cycle, campaign creation and expansion. Then comes the conservative bidding and testing. The landing pages or the website that you actually build to actually run an email, to run basically a paid campaign, you need to have a thorough testing on the links that you are actually posting on the ad. So the bidding and testing has to happen. Then data accumulation, metrics and social has to happen. All the data that you acquire, whether you are actually going in for the registrations as far as your campaigns are concerned. Then optimization, bidding, copy and placement. The bids, the content, the copy, everything has to be perfectly optimized to get more and more impressions and more click-through rates. Then the proven efficiency. What are the best practices you can think of implementing? You do a lot of research and have the proven efficiency. continuous improvement. Once you have done the complete strategy, the keyword research, the competitor research, the customers research, everything has been done. You have done an excellent job. You have placed the ad, you have created the ad is live, and you are paying money. When that one particular cycle is completed, that is not the end of the day. What matters is you actually have to track, report and measure the analytics information based on your ad, and keep on doing constant improvements, constant enhancements, so that you can actually improve your conversion rates. So this is precisely what search engine marketing campaign cycle is all about. In the conclusion, in the end, what we have seen in this video is what is search engine marketing, SEO versus SEM process, and the campaign cycle. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.